So make sure that you already purchased the base plan of YouTube TV at the very least, and ensure the subscription is still active, because you cannot watch the theGRIO network without having YouTube TV base plan first. And to buy the YouTube TV base plan, from the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to top right of the screen and then click on the store icon over here. And then on the YouTube TV networks and add-ons, you want to click on it. And you want to add the YouTube TV to your membership by paying for $83 per month, and you can get free trial. To do that, click on next and complete your purchase with debit card, credit card, or even PayPal and Cash App. And then to watch the theGRIO, after you purchase the YouTube TV base plan, you want to go to the top right of the screen, but this time click on the search icon. And then you can just search for the theGRIO without the space in between. Right here on the theGRIO network, you want to click on it. And you may scroll down and see the live session of the theGRIO. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.